Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Parijat Ram Tripathi, pediatric gastroenterologist at Ankura Hospital for Women and Children, Hyderabad. So I will discuss about the liver disease in children. So first thing is how to identify, because many of the times doctors say that if you come late in a liver disease, the problem may have increased or it becomes many of the times untreatable. So identifying the liver disease by parents is as important as it is by the doctors. So in a small baby, I always say you need to look at the eyes and the urine color of your baby. If beyond 14 days you are finding that your newborn has yellow colored urine or the eyes are looking yellow, that is the first indication of the liver disease. Very rarely the abdomen may be distended, there can be some fluid, so that can be detected easily, but you go and meet your pediatric gastroenterologist as early as possible, because if these diseases are treated timely, they can be even cured. If we are late, many of the times they become untreatable. Then next, the problem is in any child or adolescent. The problems start with jaundice. First thing you observe is jaundice, or there can be some vomiting, loss of appetite, some pain abdomen, which was there before the jaundice or along with the jaundice. So these are the common indications that probably liver disease is coming up in the baby or your child. So these are the indications of acute liver disease. When something what we call as chronic liver disease, if your child is having jaundice, yellow color urine, that is some liver disease related problem and you have to go and meet the doctor. But there are some other symptoms and signs which are not exactly jaundice, like a child is having blood in the vomiting first time, even liver disease can present with that. Blood in the stools or black color potty, that is another indication of liver disease. Then there can be things like child is not behaving normally, sleeping excessively in the daytime, not sleeping in the night, not eating properly or eating excessively. These are also related to the some brain problem which is because of the liver disease. Then comes sometimes there will be fluid in the abdomen will be distended, or you can say dilated veins or blood vessels, what we call, like that we can see on our hand. If they are visible on the tummy and they are dilated, then that is another indication of the liver disease. So these are the initial things that you need to identify, and if any of these things are appearing, you need to meet your pediatric gastroenterologist as early as possible, because many of these diseases are medically treated, some are surgically treated. So detecting them early is very important, and rest of the things will be told to you, like blood investigations and some other investigations will help in finalizing the disease and starting the treatment. Thank you.